and welcome to this new lecture in this new section in performance and spends optimization in this course on excellence in digital marketing. So, in this module, what we'll try and give you is an in depth understanding of how to optimize your spend and performance based on the insights to gain excellence in digital marketing. And this is one key thing that a digital marketer, if he can master that, he would stand ahead of other people. At the end of this lecture, what we will do is we will talk about what is spends and performance optimization, define that as a common ground, and then look at overview of how to use insights to optimize spends and performance. So, any thoughts on what is spends and performance optimization? See, the optimization is a process of searching for the combination of parameter that will result the best outcome according to a given criteria. If you see here, there are a variety of possible outputs that you can have a combination of the two parameters, one on x-axis, another is right axis, and then you have a feasible set of objectives of possible things. And then there are cost contours and the results, and then you see an optimal point illustrated to you, which gives you the best possible results at least possible cost. So that's what is called optimization. So, how do you do spends and performance optimization? Any thoughts? So, there is a process that we are laying out for you. It has to start from the right hand side bottom, saying basically by anticipating and planning for changes in the marketing landscape. So, if you're in the digital marketing, one thing will be constant is the changes. So, if you can anticipate and plan the changes that's happening in your marketing landscape, that will be the starting point for that. And once you identify those changes in the marketing landscape, then you rapidly deploy and test new campaigns, concepts, or offer that are relevant for those possible changing landscape. You create flexibility as a third step to scale up to capture demand and to gain share. Then you go ahead and allocate resources based on expected return on investment on the successful campaigns that are capturing those changing landscape requirements. Make decisions on type of data, on the based on data, not opinions. Set measurable objectives to define success and justify marketing performance, marketing investments to stakeholder to seek more investments primarily. So you start with identifying changes, developing new campaigns, concepts offer, testing them out, scaling them up, allocating resources and justifying that, and asking for more resources as you need. So, having looked at an overview of how to plan these, how to make these optimization of spend and performance, what do we do next? So, we get into detail of each of these steps in the next lecture, and we start by looking at how to anticipate and plan for changes in marketing landscapes. So, thank you so much for watching this first lecture on performance and spends optimization. I hope you're beginning to learn again something new in this section and you are enjoying it, and I do look forward to see you again in the next lecture.